Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You are watching a weekly link up with me, Kate Stichina. We would like to discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with the technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. Last week we were speaking about softened rhetoric of the European Central Bank. This week investors expected similar dovish decisions from the Federal Reserve. The Fed's policy meeting met the market expectations and cut the official funds rate. However, the board revealed a disagreement among the members of the rate-setting committee. So the Federal Reserve sent mixed signals about further monetary easing. Such outcome did not allow the US dollar to fall deeply. As a result, the euro-dollar pair got stuck in a trading range of 1.1040–1060. Hi Peter, do you think the euro-dollar pair will develop a clear trend next trading week?
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what we got since my previous forecast is basically price traded lower after the ECB press conference, and then basically it found the support and we got a strong reaction upward. Basically a few days ago we got a bullish outside day, and I still expect from the euro to trade upward. And my advice is absolutely watch for buying opportunities. And the key resistance basically where the euro is trading around is basically around 1.1065. Most recently, basically according to the 8-hour time frame, I found a symmetrical triangle, and that can be a good launching pattern for this currency pair for the further upside. So my advice is absolutely watch for buying opportunities, and the upward targets are set at the price of 1.1107 and 1.1165. So pay attention on the bullish side. Again, that neckline with a double bottom at 1.1065. Actually, we got a breakout of that, and most recently in the past few days we got, based on 8-hour time frame, the breakout, upward breakout of the symmetrical triangle.
At the same time, the pound-dollar pair is still trading in the uptrend, despite uncertain Brexit prospects and moderately dovish rhetoric of the Fed Reserve. Peter, would it be a good idea to open long positions on the sterling?
On the British pound versus US dollar, it's a pretty similar situation like that I got in the previous forecast, based on the 480-minute time frame, and I found that there is still downward correction, and that potential bull flag is in creation. So watch for buying opportunities. I don't see any big reversal on the British pound. I still see that the buyers are in control. So watching for buying opportunities on the dips is a smart idea in my opinion, and the target basically is set at the price of 1.2560. So watch for buying opportunities on the British pound versus US dollar.
Could you please share your outlook for the dollar-yen pair?
USD yen basically did exactly what we expected in the previous forecast. Basically, we got a bear divergence, the big bear divergence on the 8-hour time frame, and that actually worked lower, exactly like what we expected in previous forecasts. So I still see that there is more room for the downside. I don't see any reversal or any potential continuation of that daily uptrend. So there is still space for more downside and potential test of 107.45 or 107.20. So watch for selling opportunities. If you are intraday trader, watch for some potential bear flag or ABC upward correction for more lower prices on the USD versus Japanese yen.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations. See you next week. You have watched the link up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina, and Peter Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading. See you soon.